Hey y'all, I'm back home and just wanted to show you the little socks that I'm working on. These are, this is a ball of fingering with no band, and I don't know what it is, but I can tell it's probably a sock yarn. So I'm starting on a pair of little, I don't know what they're going to be, if they're going to be shorties or if they're going to be mid-length. Probably mid-length. I don't know. I'll see. I'll see how I feel when I get there. But what I can tell you is it's going to have an afterthought heel. Just because I really like it. It's so easy. I don't have to turn the heel flap, gusset, Anyway, that's my preference. And the other thing I want to say, these are the circular needles. They are 9-inch Knitter's Pride Zing needles, and US 1, 2.25 millimeter, and I really like them. They are very easy to knit with, and I prefer in general small circulars, 9-inch, 10-inch circulars to make socks or small circumference projects. I use double pointed needles when I have to. I'm not a big fan. However, I wanted to tell you that if you have not tried circular needles and you have patterns, sock patterns that are written for double pointed needles, there's a very easy way you can convert them into being able to use with circular needles. All you do is use stitch markers, and you divide them as if you were working on 4 separate needles. So what happens is needles 1 and 4 will be your front, top of the foot, and then needles 2 and 3 will be the sole of the foot, where you work the heel. So, and I've done this before. It works out beautifully. So I'm not going to go into, maybe I'll make a video about that, but just very, as an aside. So don't let that stop you from making socks if they're only written for double pointed needles. I'm sure there are umpteen, videos out there, tutorials that, talk about this, or web pages that talk about this, websites. Okay, I will be back at some point after the trip, after the wedding, and I will show you my progress. And sometimes I have second sock syndrome, so I'm hoping that doesn't happen. But anyway, take care. Bye-bye.